for dirty dishes, peaceful wishes, blissful messes tangled up in joy.
Alright, I've got another super duper easy Instant Pot recipe. I've got my little helper here. She's going to help me put this in. Yes. So these are the ingredients. We'll start with browning a pound to a pound and a half of ground beef with some chopped onions. And I'm taking it easy tonight, and I'll probably put about this much of the bag. And I'll go ahead and brown those in the Instant Pot. Once they are brown, I'm going to add in the rest of our ingredients. With a hamburger vegetable soup, it's really just kind of hodgepodge, and you can put in whatever you want, but this is what I'm going to put in. I have 2 packages of these mixed vegetables. They have green beans, carrots, peas, and corn. I have a can of tomato sauce, a can of diced tomatoes. I have a can of kidney beans. I had some leftover red potatoes, so I'm going to dice these up and put these in. And then I have a 32-ounce container of beef broth. And so we're going to get it ready.
And I'm the love, Mama.
Yep. Alright, I have my meat cooking and the onions in there. And my meat was frozen, so I'm just turning it over and scraping it off. And this is what I use, a handy dandy potato masher. So that's working on there. We cut up our potatoes. And I forgot about the spices. And I'm just winging it.
And these are like a castle.
These are like a castle, yep. And
I'm spreading them up like this, so they can be smaller.
Yep. And I'm just a wing it type of spice person.
There's a little bit more.
So I have garlic, onion powder, thyme. I'm going to put a bay leaf in, and then some salt and pepper, and that's going to be it. It's just about done. Going to add the spices in. There's some garlic powder. All right, I'm going to turn saute off, and London is going to get 1 bay leaf out of here and put it in. Yep. Since that one's small, let's put another one in. Nope, put it in. And then get 1 more.
This one?
Yep, sure. Alright. We've got our meat in there, and now she's going to start putting all of our vegetables in.
Yep.
You're doing an awesome job. Can you tell everybody how old you are?
I'm
3. Very good. Alright, yep. Put the broth in?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Is this done?
Mm-hmm.
No, this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
And see,
This one.
we're almost to the max.
This one.
But not quite.
This one.
Yep.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Make sure you get it in there. Very good job. Yep.
And then this
Mm-hmm.
one. This one.
Yes, ma'am. You are such a big helper, London. Thank you so much. Okay, we've stirred it all up. We are going to go ahead and take our spoon out. And then we're going to put to manual, and we're going to do to 11 minutes. Sometimes you have to try it at different pressure times, but that's what we're going to try this time, 11 minutes. And then we're going to probably naturally release it. So that just means let it release And don't push the lever. Just let it do it on its own. All right, now we have to throw away all our garbage, and all we have to do is wait. Give me 5.
And then sip it up.
And eat it. All right.
Yep.
It got done, and it's been 14 minutes that it's been done. We're gonna see. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and release the pressure after 14, 15 minutes.
I want to do that.
Okay, all the pressure was released. We're gonna take a look.
Yep.
Ooh.
I'm gonna stir. And then I'm gonna stir up.
Looks delicious. Stir it up, London, but be careful of the steam. And here is a bowl full of soup that we're gonna have for dinner. It looks and smells super good.